lost something. She lost her shoe. But I said that to Lynette. I go, I lost my shoe, but don't worry, I put it back on.
Don't worry, it's over there.
Don't worry, it's over there. So what did I say?
I'm not even tired.
What?
I'm not tired.
Me either.
She's not tired.
So what I said in the parking lot, she's like, what time is it? I was like, yo, dad's time.
Going on the quote wall. Y'all sometimes say, yo, dad's time. My hip really hurts.
Come on, Grandma, quit having your hip hurt.
Yeah.
Look at that sisterhood. Look at that sisterhood.
You can't jump sideways.
Y'all match.
I know, we're so cute. We're so cute.
Oh, I almost ran into that pole.
That's good. Okay, go down. You always just drop. At least I warned you. I said you're going down. This time you did.
Like man down?
Man down. I just put man down.
Man down.
Man down. Thank you for videotaping this.
No problem.
I'll make it a video vlog.
Oh, I know.
She knows. You're drunk. I'm not at all. I'm really not. I'm really not.
Oh, that's true. She's a minor, therefore she's sober.
I swear I'm not drunk at all.
That's what B said in the truck. I swear I hadn't been drinking.
I was like, what are you talking about? That was a different video.
We're walking so fast.
Oh my gum.
Spit it out. Throw it. Oh, she threw it. Where'd it go? I lost it.
There's still hair in my mouth. My hip hurts.
Grandma?
What did you do to your hip?
Pat, where are you going?
Chilling.
Okay.
Like for real,
Let's
it's
sit
cold.
on the bench. Okay.
Will you take a picture of me and Pat doing our new dance?
I took a video of it. Okay.
We'll do it right here.
Goodbye.